With professionalism as the base and innovation as the soul, since its establishment in 2009, Shenzhen Marvo Technology Co Limited has been constantly making progress in the science and technology field, committed to creating high-quality products and serving the whole world. Adhering to the core values of professional focus, infinite innovation, quality first, service first, the company actively fosters a rich corporate culture atmosphere featuring a proactive attitude, an innovative spirit, and a sense of teamwork, and fully encourages every Marvo employee to bravely pursue their dreams. During its development journey, Marvo has actively collaborated with internationally renowned brands. At multiple international exhibitions, it has stood out with its outstanding product quality and ingenious innovative designs, winning widespread praise and favor. As a result, Marvo has become a core supply chain partner of companies such as Walmart, Best Buy, Target, and Costco. In 2024, the European and South American markets witnessed strong growth, with the annual turnover of the general agent customer in Brazil breaking through $15 million. In 2025, Marvo will vigorously develop the AI series products. Currently, Marvo has established a complete AI hardware product line. In the future, it will focus on products such as AI simultaneous interpretation, AI office keyboards and mice, and AI scene companion toys. Empower products via AI, integrating innovative functions into every detail, devoting itself to carefully crafting products of exceptional quality, and doing everything in its power to provide high-quality services to global customers, precisely meeting diverse needs. Regard AI industry product research and development innovation as the core driving force source for enterprise development, and establish a professional research and development laboratory, bringing together top scientific research talents in the industry. With innovation as the sail and quality as the oar, join hands with partners to jointly write a magnificent epic in the field of intelligent science and technology.